Namaste and welcome to Learning Nepali. It's me Ruthmeri Shrestha. In today's lesson, we are going to compare formal and informal speech in all persons, but this time in continuous tenses. By the end, you will know how to use you are going, we're going, and will be going casually with your friends or politely with your elders. In English, verbs don't change for formality, we just change style. The main difference is whether we use contractions or not, and if we choose more polite words. But when we look at Nepali, Nepali has built-in formality. Pronouns and verb endings actually change. Now let's take the verb to go in all three continuous tenses. So now let's start with present continuous tenses. In Nepali, अपूर्ण वर्तमान काल. अपूर्ण वर्तमान काल. Here the sentence example is I am going. In Nepali, म जाँदै छु. म जाँदै छु, which remains same in both formal and informal speech. But for you are going in informal form, we say तिमी जाँदै छौ. तिमी जाँदै छौ. But in formal form, we say तपाईं जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ. तपाईं जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ. For he or she is going, in informal form, for male, he is going, we say ऊ जाँदै छ. ऊ जाँदै छ. But for female, she is going, we say उनी जाँदै छिन्. उनी जाँदै छिन्. And for formal form, he or she is going, we say उहाँ जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ. उहाँ जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ. For we are going, in Nepali, हामी जाँदै छौ. हामी जाँदै छौ, which remains same in both formal and informal speech. But for they are going, in informal form, we say उनीहरू जाँदै छन्. उनीहरू जाँदै छन्. But in formal form, we say उहाँहरू जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ. उहाँहरू जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ. So that was formal and informal form of verb to go in present continuous tense. Now let's go to past continuous tense. Past continuous tense in Nepali, we say अपूर्ण भूतकाल. अपूर्ण भूतकाल. Now let's go to the sentences. I was going. In Nepali, म जाँदै थिएँ. म जाँदै थिएँ, which remains same for both formal and informal speech. But for you were going, in informal form, we say तिमी जाँदै थियौ. तिमी जाँदै थियौ. But in formal form, we say तपाईं जाँदै हुनुहुन्थ्यो. तपाईं जाँदै हुनुहुन्थ्यो. Similarly, he or she was going. For male, he was going, in informal form, we say ऊ जाँदै थियो. ऊ जाँदै थियो. But for female, she was going, we say उनी जाँदै थिइन्. उनी जाँदै थिइन्. But in formal form, he or she was going, we say उहाँ जाँदै हुनुहुन्थ्यो. उहाँ जाँदै हुनुहुन्थ्यो. Next is we were going. In Nepali, we say हामी जाँदै थियौ. हामी जाँदै थियौ, which remains same for both formal and informal speech. Next is they were going. In informal form, we say उनीहरू जाँदै थिए उनीहरू जाँदै थिए but in formal form we say उहाँहरू जाँदै हुनुहुन्थ्यो उहाँहरू जाँदै हुनुहुन्थ्यो so this was past continuous tense of verb to go in formal and informal speech. Now, let's go to future continuous tense. In Nepali, we say apurna bhavishyat kal. Apurna bhavishyat kal. Now, let's go to the sentences. I will be going. In Nepali, we say म जाँदै हुनेछु. म जाँदै हुनेछु, which remains same for both formal and informal speech. For you will be going. In informal speech, we say तिमी जाँदै हुनेछौ. तिमी जाँदै हुनेछौ. But in formal form, we say तपाईँ जाँदै हुनुहुनेछ. तपाईँ जाँदै हुनुहुनेछ. For he or she will be going. In Nepali, for male, he will be going, we say ऊ जाँदै हुनेछ. ऊ जाँदै हुनेछ. But for female, she will be going. In Nepali, उनी जाँदै हुनेछिन्. उनी जाँदै हुनेछिन्. But in formal form, he or she will be going. We say उहाँ जाँदै हुनुहुनेछ. उहाँ जाँदै हुनुहुनेछ. Similarly, for we will be going, in Nepali we say हामी जाँदै हुनेछौ. हामी जाँदै हुनेछौ, which remains same for both formal and informal speech. For they will be going, in informal form, we say उनीहरू जाँदै हुनेछन्. उनीहरू जाँदै हुनेछन्. But in formal form, we say उहाँहरू जाँदै हुनुहुनेछ. उहाँहरू जाँदै हुनुहुनेछ. So this was the future continuous tense of verb to go in both formal and informal speech. So now let's summarize some things that you need to remember in both formal and informal speech of English and Nepali. In English, verbs don't change but style does. In informal form, the contractions matters. But in formal form, full forms like I am and you are is used. Similarly, in Nepali, pronouns and verbs ending change. In informal form, subjects such as तिमी, ऊ, उनीहरू is used. And in formal form, subjects like तपाईँ, उहाँ, उहाँहरू is used. And the respect is built right into the grammar. Now you know how to use continuous tenses in past, present and future and in both English and Nepali formally and informally. Use informal forms with your friends and equals and use formal forms with your teacher, elders and professionals. So thank you for learning this lesson with me. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more intense classes. So see you on the next video. Dhanyabad.